Hello, salam alaikum, malaikum salam Kuwait. Hada walking seaside, hana looking bibi, charis. This is me back again, Abi Famadico. Hello, good morning Kuwait. I'm here at the Kuwait Fintas beach. So I'm here walking here. For you to know, this is the nearest beach from our accommodations. Just wait lang pala. Intro tayo ng malupit. Hello, salam alaikum, malaikum salam Kuwait. Hada walking seaside, hana looking bibi, charis. This is me back again, Abi Famadico. So for today's voice over muna tayo kasi you know naman we're here in seaside. Little bit noisy but still I want you all mga ka-ek-ek to hear the very good sounds of the beach. You know what mga ka-ek-ek, it was a great and memorable experience when you're walking around the beach, doing picnics with your workmates, and then walking here, doing TikToks, videos, and taking pictures is for Instagrammable, Facebook, and other apps and other mobile apps. So it's nice with your or also your habibi. It was a relaxing experience when you're here, and to forget all the problems. For your mental health awareness like that. If you have a depression, just good to go in the seaside to relax, and then you will see the sunrise like and me as a vlogger, I rather prefer to be happy and enjoying my life here in Kuwait while I'm on vacation, to have a peace of mind and manifesting 10 billion ganon. Alam niyo naman, you only live once, so let's enjoy our life here. So, tamang video shoot na naman. So, this is the right time for me to end my vlog, mga ka-ek-ek. To all new supporters here, thank you. Don't forget to press the bell for all the notifications for my next vlog. Thank you, ka-ek-ek. Bye-bye!